Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can reduce the background noise of our video using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my InShot application, and for example, I'm going to reduce the background noise of this video. And if we want to denoise or reduce the background noise of our video, first of all, we need to go to the volume option, this one guys. And here we just need to click on the noise right here. And this is the result. And I'm going to show you the before and after. I'm going to remove the denoise. And this is before I denoise my video. And this is after I denoise it. And I know that there's no big difference between before and after, but at least the background noise is reduced. And if you are not satisfied with the result, you can save this video first. You can save it to your device. Then you can create new project and you can import the video again. Wait guys. Okay, you can create new project on your InShot. Click on new, and I'm going to import the video I have exported. Okay, then we just need to denoise it again. You can repeat the steps many times until you get the best result as you want. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove or reduce background noise on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.